Okay, before going to the class, I am doing some other thing. The previous. Okay. What is NumPy? Oh, you all know. This is the first class. Okay. See, this is the NumPy. Okay. So NumPy basically uh, one library in Python. Okay. And it is used for to computation of the different type of arrays and also some numerical operation. Okay. That's why we use NumPy. Okay. There are lots of things in NumPy. Okay. So why we use NumPy? Because NumPy provides us the quicker way to execute some operation. Okay. That's why we use the NumPy. And there are something you can import NumPy. Okay, you have to import because this is on library. You have to import that library in the Python. Then you can use that module. Okay, and inside this module or libraries, there are lots of functions. Okay, those are the functions. Okay, all function you can use all of this by using. Okay, so this is the NumPy. How can you import the NumPy? You can import this statement, import NumPy. Okay, as NP, this is like alias. Okay, I choose the name NumPy as NP because every time whenever I creating one array, see here, whenever I creating one array, every time I need to write NP or NumPy. So NumPy is the lengthy word. So that's why I choose a small name, some alias name like NP for NumPy. Okay, this way you can import the NumPy. Then you can choose the function inside the NumPy and creating maximum time. Okay, am I audible to all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Okay, this is the directory. There are the all functions there. You can check it by yourself. Okay. Now come to the part. How can you create one array? Okay. The main thing here you do the operation according to the array. Okay, regarding with the array. So how can you create the array? Basically, you have to give a name. So suppose A is the variable name and np dot array. Then you have to give the values inside a list. Okay, because whenever you create an array, you have to give the values or numbers by list or tuple. Okay, like array like element this way. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is a simple array, and you can just print a. Sorry, I did not recall the. Okay, I have to import at first. Yes, everything I have to import the NumPy. I have to import NumPy as np. Okay, then run it. Now run it. See, it will create a np array. Okay, you can check the type of this variable. Print, we all know type is the function where you can check any type of the value variables. Okay, see, it is a numpy.nd array. Okay, because why is nd array? Because there are different type of dimension here. Okay, there are 1 dimension, 2 dimension array as there. Okay. Hello, sir. Can you share the notes in WhatsApp? Okay, definitely, Kirtana. I will share the note in WhatsApp. Also, I have uploaded the video in the YouTube. I will provide the link
Yes,
also. Okay, after the class. No issue.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, why is the ND array? Because there are lots of dimension. Okay, so how can you check the dimension of this matrix? Okay, just print a dot ndim. Okay, see, this is the 1 dimension matrix. Because why? Because there's only one row, or you can say this is the only, but there are lots of dimensions are there. Okay, I see you the dimension part. Okay, this is the dimension part. Okay, what is dimension? Dimension means the level of depth, added depth. Okay, so the dimension means you all know there are dimensions means the 1D, 2D, 3D. That is the dimension basically. Okay, so what is the 0D? There will be the only one values, no list. If there is no list, that is called zero dimensional array. Okay, see, this is the zero dimensional array. See, this is the generic because here I passed on values, not a list. If you give a list, that could be given one dimensional array. Okay, this is the one array and one ND array because the dimension is 0. Okay, and next this is 1D array. 1D array means there is only have one list. Okay, and it is also called vectors. Okay, and you can create the one dimensional array by this way, just passing on list, and then you can call the dimension. This is the one. Okay, if you create a list inside a list, means this is one list, the last bracket, and inside there are two lists. So list inside list, this is called two-dimensional array. Okay, so it is also look like a matrix. Okay, so this is a two-dimensional array, and see how, if I create the depth of the list, it will increase the dimension. Next, it is a list inside a list inside a list. Okay, there are three lists. Okay, not that this one, not this one. This one, there is a whole list in the outside bracket. Inside this bracket, there are also two lists. This is the one. Okay, wait a minute. See, this is the first list. Okay, inside this list, there are two lists. One is that, and one is that. Okay, and inside this list, these two lists, there are also two lists. One, two. Okay, so list this list inside this list, and also inside is this big list. So there are three lists, three depth, and that is the dimension of this array is 3. Okay, you can run this code. Okay, wait. Okay, see, this is the list. This is the array, and this is the dimension is 3. Because how the three-dimensional work? See, if I draw one dimension, this is the simple like 2, 3. This is the one dimension. Okay, one dimension. If I go to two dimension, this is look like a matrix. Okay, like 2, 3, and not 2, not 2 and 3, and there is 4 and 5. Okay, there should not be any comma. Okay. This is two dimension, and what is three dimension? Three dimension like a cuboid or cube. Okay, so if I draw a box, okay, so there is one matrix, and this there are four different type of sides. There are different type of matrix will be there. So there will be 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I join this 4, 5. This is the 6, 7, 8, and 9. So those are the three-dimensional matrix. Okay, you can add some row also, column also. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so I think clear everyone. What is the dimension of the matrices or dimension of the array? Hello.
Yes.
Okay, those who are new today, please understood this thing. Okay, because the previous we did all of this. Okay. Okay, now come to the thing that is, I think, the shape and size. Okay, yes. What is a shape? Shape means how many number of rows and columns are there. Okay, so if I create this thing, there is no column because it's only one row. Okay, so this is the only one row or no column. So there's 5. Yes, and now if I create a 2D matrices, then there will be 2 row and 3 column, because this is 1, 4 is the one column, 2, 5 is the one column. This is the 2, 3 is the looking the shape. Okay, 2, 3 means 2 is row number, 3 is the column number. Okay, now what is length? Length means it will give you the number of rows. Okay, length give you the number of rows. Okay, nothing but how many lists inside this one list. This is the main thing. How many lists are there? Okay, inside the outermost list. Okay, this is the statement. How many lists are there in the outermost list? Okay, and what is the size? Size is the number of total element. How many number total element? 1, 2, there are 5 element. The length is 5, a size is 5. This also 6 element, the size is 6. Also, you can identify by this way the shape 2 cross 3. This way you can also multiply. Okay, 2 cross 3 means there are 2 row and there will be 3 element in each row. It will be 6 element. It will have the size. Okay, this is the main thing. Okay, so you all go through the video and also the this file I will provide in the WhatsApp group. So please check it this thing, and if you have any kind of doubts, you can ask me in the next class. Okay, this is the main thing. Or what are the NumPy? Okay, now to the today's session. Okay, so today we do some arithmetic operation regarding the NumPy array. Okay, so at first I have to uh, create the array. So I creating one array. There are 9 elements. Okay, so I run this code. Okay, so can anyone tell me what is the size of the array? Anyone? Akash? Hello, anyone?
Yes, sir.
What is the size of this array?
Yes, sir.
Try. What is the size of this array? Tell me.
10, sir. Sorry, 9. Sir.
Yes. The size of this array is 9. Okay. See, the size of array is 9. Okay. So and shape is also the this is 9 comma blank space will be there. Okay, no issue. Okay. So not now notice the on the size, but come to the thing. We can add some value with the a. So it will adding the value. If I give one value for adding with the array, then it will add to all the element inside this array. Okay, because I person giving one value, only one value. Okay, so if I do this way, x equal to a plus 2, a means there is the NumPy array, and it will adding with the 2. So it will add with the every element, just like the matrix multiplication. We all know 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 this way. Okay, just run this code and see. It will be the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This way it will adding. Okay. Now tell me what is the output for this. If I creating this B, it will create the B, and now I will want B plus 7. Tell me what is the output? Anyone? Hello, am I audible or not?
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Okay, so tell me what is the output? You understood what I am trying to say? Just simply adding. It will add with the every element inside this array. Yes, Pooja, tell.
17, 27, 37, 47,
Yes, yes, yes. Good.
57, 67, 77, 87, and 97.
97, this one.
This
Simple
list.
thing, just adding the value with the every element. Okay. Okay, this way, because there are and don't give multiple value, only one value, so it will adding with the every element. Okay, good. Pooja. Okay, now come to the this part. What is this? I want to adding x and y. What is x? X is that this. Okay, and this is y. So what is the output? Now tell me. Anyone understood what is this going? Because if you check the size of this both array is same, because there are also 9 element, here are also 9 element. Okay, because if you check print dot size, okay, it will give you 9, and also for y it is also y dot size. Okay. See 9. So whenever I give two same size row, or sorry, two same size array for addition, then it will adding only the row wise. Okay. The 3 plus 17, 4 plus 27, 5 plus 37. This way it will adding. Okay. Just do. See, it will give you the 17 plus 3, it will give 20. Just simple this way. Okay. If I give you 2, 3, and 4 with the same size, and the other will be 6, 7, and 8. If I adding both, it will give you 8, 10, and 12, because it will just adding the row wise, not every element. Okay, because the previous there was only one value, so it will not adding with the one element, it will be not good. So that's why it will add with the every element, because they're only giving the one values, only one value. So if I give you the two same size array, then it will adding the row wise addition. Okay, I think clear everyone, this array addition. Hello,
Yes, sir.
clear? Pallavi, Akash?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, for the this is the subtraction. Tell me what is the output. Okay, I give you the print A also. Tell me quick. This is A. What is the output for this? A minus 1. Anyone? Quick, tell me.
So 0, 1, 2, 3,
Yes,
4,
yes,
5.
this way it will go. Because it will subtract the value 1 from every element inside this array. Okay, this is a simple thing. And for this is also if you print the B, print. So print B. See, this is the B, and Q is B minus 5. So it will subtract the 5 from the every element. So it will be 5, 15, 25 this way. Okay. See, this way. Okay. Now, what is the output for this? Q minus P. This is Q, this is Q, this is P. It will subtract from this to this. 5 minus 0, 15 minus 1. So output will be 5, 14, 23 this way. Okay, just whenever the size will be same, then it will do the operation. Okay, see, this is the output. Okay, so now this is the, come to the multiplication part. Same like the addition and subtraction, it will just multiply the every element by 2. Okay, so the A is this, no, A is this, so it will give you the two stable. Okay, up to 9. This is the output, and for B it will also give the multiplication this way, 40, 80, 120. Okay, now tell me. Okay, it will be little bit difficult. Okay, I give you simple one. It's A is equal to into okay. We're creating two array. Okay, one is A, one is B, this way. Okay, so this is the two array, A and B. So whenever you will multiply the not C is equal to A star B. Okay, Can you know what is the output for the C? Anyone, any idea? It will not goes like the 1 into 3, 2
Sir,
into 4.
3,
Yes,
8,
yes.
15. 3, 8, 15.
Okay, C. 3, 8, 15. Okay. This way. Okay. And it is also same thing. This is the big number because there are lots of. Okay. So this way you can do the if there are matrix, if there are 2D array, then will be the different thing, like just creating another thing here. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now it is 2D array. Yeah. Okay. So I have to give the another list inside the list. Okay. See, this is the one matrix. This is the another matrix. Now tell me what is the output? Anyone know? Hello.
Sir, 5, 12, 21, 32.
Okay. See. Yes. I have told already. Okay. Because it is done by the matrix multiplication this way. Okay. It will this 5, 7, 5 into 7. Okay. This way and this way. Okay. This is the thing. Now you can do the operation for the division also. Nothing but simple way. Okay. This is the A, and if you divide the by 2, it will divide by the element. Okay. It's a simple thing you can run by yourself in your home. Okay. This is the modular divisor. Okay. Give you the output. Give the remainder part. Okay. And this is the power. Okay. You can power the all the A. This is the A and power of the all element inside the array. Now there are something that is called sign of all the element inside the array A. You can do this value of the sign. See, this is the array A, and this is the value of the sign of every value. Sign 1, sign 2, sign 3, sign 4. Okay. The same thing for the cos or tan. Okay. It's a simple thing. Okay. Okay. I think clear everyone. What is the operation part here? Hello. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now coming to the next thing, that is the okay. Here we creating the array by default, passing the values every time this way, different type of okay. But there are some function or method there are inside the NumPy. You can creating the different type of arrays or matrix. Okay. So what is that thing? There are some function that is the first is in zeros. Zeros matrix means the all elements are 0. Okay. So this is the syntax. You can just write np dot zeros. Okay. And zeros. Then you have to give the shape of the matrix or array. Okay. This 2 is for row and 3 is for column. Okay. There will be the output should be this way. 2 is 2 row, 1 and 2, and element will be 3 column. Okay. So 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0. Okay. This way it will give the output. Okay. So run this code. See, this way you can give. Okay, if you say if I don't give the value 3, only give 2, okay, no issue. So it will take only 1. This 2. It will give the 2 element. See, only 2 element. Okay. So you can change your way. The same. There will be always the same. So this is the you can creating by this way all 0 matrix. Okay, writing here. So I change the shape here 2, 3. It will better. Okay. So this way. Okay, now the same thing for the ones. There is another method. Once it will create the same way, but the value will be 1. Okay, run this code. See, the all value will be 4 plus 3. There will be 4 rows and 3 columns. Okay, 4 plus 3. There will be rows and this is a column. Okay. Okay, everyone understood. The shape will be defined by this is a row and this is the column. Okay. So this way you can create, and also you can omit the only row also. Okay. Okay. Now there will be another thing that is called full. By using the full method, you can create a matrix by your values, by choosing the by default value. Okay, you can choose any kind of values inside this 20. The syntax is shape comma value. Okay, you can pass any kind of values like 20. I can pass okay 30 here and run this code. Okay, same like the ones and multiply by the value. Okay, this is the thing you can understand. The full method works like in once and multiply by any kind of values. Okay, this is the way the full method works. Okay, here is the shape and this is the values. You can change any kind of value. Only you can put 3 also, and it will give you the all matrix with the 3. Okay, this is this matrix. Okay. Now there is the another thing, it is full underscore like. Okay, there are lots of functions are there, so there will be lots of things. So this is the main some use function which I just giving you. Okay. Okay, what is this work? Here, if you create an array, it will take the size of the array. Okay, and creating the array similar way, and the value should be all is by 10. Okay, run this code. See, this is the y, print y. Okay, print y is 1, 2, 0. This is the print y array. And next the thing, this is the same, but all the value are 10 because it will choose the shape of the array. Okay, and by default the value will be that you can choose 10, it will change. And if you choose 5 here, choose 5, then it will change by 5. Okay, there will be I think 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 8. There will be 8, 5 values. Okay, this way you can do anyway. Okay, I can copy this thing and do another way. Control C. If I change it, not this one. Okay, okay, there's the y. Okay, so I can change the value. Okay, alright. So I choose a w is the array. Okay, now I change the shape of the value array of the y. Okay. Okay, now y dot reshape. Reshape is the method. Y dot reshape. You can change the shape of the array. Okay, there is the 8. Okay, how can you change the shape? Understood. There is the size. Every day you have to check the size. There are 8 elements. So whenever there is the 8 element, the shape should be multiplication of that give the output 8. So what is there are different type of multiplication. You can get the 8. That is the 4 cross 2 or 2 cross 4 this way. So you can change this way. Okay, so you have to give the shape. So shape here 2, 4. Okay, I change y. Okay, y is this. Now print w. Check. See, this array will be changing this way because the shape will change. 2 cross 4, but 2 row 4 column. Now I do the full like operation. I do z is equal to np dot full underscore like, and then I pass the array like w because the shape is 2 cross 4, and I want to value here 3. Okay, so see, can you tell me what is the output? Anyone? Hello. Akash, Ayush, Kirtana, anyone? Just try. What is the output?
Sir, 3, 3, 3.
Yes, yes. This will be the 2 cross 4 matrix and all value will be the
Yes, sir.
3. Okay, this.
Yes, sir. 2 crore. 2 crore.
Yes, yes. 2
Yes.
cross 4 matrix and there will be the all value will be 3. Okay, this way. Okay, everyone understood how can we change the shape? Okay, this way you can change the shape. Okay, just use the reshape method and inside the argument you can pass the shape. But you have to care every time, careful. You have to give the same size every time. Okay, this is 2 cross 4 mean 8 and there will be same thing 8. Okay, there will be same size for the each array whenever you change the reshape. Okay. Okay, now come to the next thing. Okay, this is the you can create on matrix. You all know identity matrix. Anyone know what is identity matrix? Hello,
Yes, sir.
what is that?
Sir, diagonally print 1
Yes, yes, yes.
in
Identity
matrix.
matrix means the diagonal element will be 1 and the rest will be 0. Okay. It will be different shape. Okay, this is a 2 cross 2 and you can 2 cross 3 will be another. Okay, so this is the identity matrix. So there you can also create an identity matrix by this I method. Okay, the I for the identity part. Okay, so whenever you give this thing, you can give the output with this. Okay, the identity matrix I will be the diagonal wise and the rest of the element will be 0. Okay, so there's just different type of syntax, the row, column, and also k. Okay, I will go there. Okay, by default whenever you give the only one value you can pass on argument, it will automatically take the matrix will be 3 cross 3. Okay, automatically it will take 3 cross 3. Okay, 3 cross 3, but if you change that then it will be changed. Okay, but if I give this k value, okay, I just copy all this thing to see. Okay, if I give here, I just only 3 cross 4. What happened now? See, it will give you the array, but the diagonal will be changed because there will be no diagonal similar way. Okay, by default it will take you the this diagonal. Okay, now if I put the k, okay, so by default k automatically 0. K means the diagonal position. Okay, k means the diagonal position. Okay, so if I k is equal to 1, it will be move upward. Okay, see the diagonals change from this to this. Okay, this way. If you give the -1, it will automatically come to the lower part. Okay, see this way. And if you just change the whole thing, so this is the diagonal you can change. Now here, this is a 3 cross 3 matrix. There, the diagonal KMS1 means the lower diagonal, and +1 means upper diagonal. Okay, 1 for lower and 1 for upper and -1 for lower, and 0 for the middle diagonal. Okay, this is the thing. You can change the diagonal also. Okay, so this way you can create the different type of matrices. Okay, now move to the next part. Okay, now this is the matrix. You can create the diagonal matrix. What this means? This means the matrix would be this way. The rest of the elements would be 0. But the diagonal there will be some values. Okay, just like 2, 3, 4, and rest is 0. Okay. 0, 0. This is the called diagonal matrix, and this way you can create by this statement. Run this code. See, they will pass the values 4, 5, 3, and it will create the diagonal matrices. Okay, this way. And here also the case values are there. Okay, you can choose the diagonal different way. Okay, see how the diagonal change. Okay, there will be very interesting thing will be happen here. See, Control C. Okay, once I till okay, see here, whenever I create a diagonal matrix, whenever I put the 3, for 3 it will do the diagonal for 3 3 1. But if I change the k value, it will automatically decrease the diagonal element values. 1, there's 2 1. If I change 1, there will be 2 1. But the shape does not change. Okay, the shape will be same. The 3, it will 3. But here, as there is no shape, so it will change the shape. If I change the k value, by default k will be 0. Okay, if I k is equal to 1, it is upper diagonal, so it will change, move to the this way 4 5, but there will be no 3, so it will increase the shape or change the shape and create the 4 cross 4 matrix, and there will be the upper diagonal, it will feed the these values. Okay, so this have to feed the all 3 values, then for this it will create the bigger matrices. Okay, if you change this thing -1, it will similar to lower diagonal, it will change. Okay, run. Okay, see, this is the lower diagonal, but it will increase the matrices. Okay, not for the 3. The 3 means not 3 to 3 cross 3. It will increase this by the k value. Okay, if I put the another value also here, 4 5 3 1 or 3 2. Okay, see, it will also increase the value. Okay, so every time it will increase the shape, because it have to feed the value inside this diagonal or the lower diagonal. So that's why it will give this out. Clear, everyone? Hello, Akash, Ayush.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, okay. Okay. Now come to the next thing, that is the okay. Now you can create the matrices by choosing the random number. Okay. Okay. What does this mean? Okay, if I give this syntax, then it will give you the different type of number. So what is this? Let's see. See, this is the give you the random number. If I run again, it will, I think, change. See, every time the value will be changed. Okay, so it will give you the random number, positive random number close to 0. Okay, close to 0 or 0 to 1. This range, it will give you the random number. Okay, now there will be three argument will be there, 3 parameters: row, column, and depth. It's mean you can change the dimension of these matrices by increasing the column and depth. Okay, okay, see, if I copy this thing, okay, see, Control V. See, now if I just do 6 comma 3, not 6 comma 3, I give 2 comma 3. Okay, see, 2 comma 3 means it will give you the 2-dimensional matrices. There will be a random element. See, what is the output? This. It is give you the matrices. There will be the 2 row and 3 columns. Okay, and also there will be random. Every time it will change the values. See, every time it will change the value. And if you give the other thing, that is the depth, means 3-dimensional, 3 plus 2 plus 1 or okay, 4, I do 4. See, it will give you the this way. Okay, least inside least and least. So this is a 3-dimensional. Okay, so this way you can create the random number, and the number should be 0 to 1 and this way positive number. Okay, always give the positive number. Okay, now come to the, there will be another thing, that is rand n. Okay, what is that thing? Run this code. Okay, this also give you the number from negative also and positive also. Okay, this one. Okay, so negative number, positive number, by the same thing for this and this, but here also give the positive integer, positive values, and there will be the negative and this way. Okay, not integer, there will be the floating numbers. Okay, and this way, and there the last is, there is the rand int. It will give you the integer value, but there will be some different syntax. Okay, there will be some minimum value, and next is the maximum value. Okay, and there is a size. Size means the shape. Okay, you can change the size or shape this way, and this is the thing. Okay, this is a 2 to 10. Okay, I just remove this thing. I only give you the 3 it will be greater. There will be 3 elements inside this 2 to 10 from range. If you give the range and this range, it will take the 3 elements, okay, and create a normal matrix. If you change the shape, okay, just 2 cross 3, okay, 2 cross 3. Whenever you give the shape, you have to give the bracket also, okay. There will be error. Okay, so you have to close the bracket also. See, it is the 2 cross 3 matrix, and all the values should be between 2 to 10. Okay, random value. Okay, it's 2 to 10. And also the same thing for the line space also. It will give you the thing, but it will also give you the mean and mass and the number. Okay, this way. See, this way. It will give you a random number. Okay, not integer, not positive, random number. And the last is the same thing. Here will be the starting value and the same like the range function. Okay, similar range function. There is arrange, and it will give you the this thing 4, 6, 8. You can increase the value because I just write the step because it will give you the 4 to 10. And it will give. Okay, I just omit this to here. Okay, where are now run. Okay, the number should be 4 to 10. For every number 4, 5, but up to 9 because 10 will be excluded by range. And if I give you the step will be 2, then it will jump 1 elements 4 to 6, 6 to 8. Okay, up to that. There are some functions are there: range, arrange, line space, random. Okay, whenever you write this thing, you have to write random dot random. Okay, there are this type of function: random dot random, random dot rand. Okay, this way you can write this function. There are all maximum many function: diagonal, I function, array, not array full, like ones, 0, full. Okay, this is the different type of function. Okay, so everyone please practice all those things in your house, and I am sending this thing. Okay, so from here I stop the sharing. Wait.